Hey, I'm Will with Noble Locksmith, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Car Key Wizard. I'm an automotive locksmith, and while I definitely don't know it all, I have learned some tricks along the way that I hope will help you while you're out in the field. One thing you can do to help me out, though, would be to subscribe to my channel. And if you like my videos, leave a comment or ask a question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I make a lot of videos, so if there's something you'd like to learn more about or a video you'd like to see on a car we're working on, just let me know in the comments and I'll put it up as soon as I can. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy watching my videos. Here we go, we got Benz key class. So many people tell me just don't even cut Benz keys, not a waste of time. Benz's are pretty easy to pick. My camera's just horrible. See how that bumps out right there at the back of the cuts? So I'm gonna go put it in. As everybody says, you can cut it all day, but it cuts it wrong. All right, so see that? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna file that down. Literally, we're going to take it, file it down. I'll show you in a second. All right, we have filed down our key. Now, you can see the key goes in all the way and it turns. Now we're good to go. Little trick of the trade. All right, so many people have issues with Mercedes-Benz keys. Problem is not the key cut. Can't really see it on this one, but yeah, this side's better. You can see how the Mercedes just bumps out just slightly right where the cut stops right there. So what happens is these keys are just made bad. On an original key, it doesn't do that. It doesn't bump out like that. So what happens is that little bump out keeps the key from going in all the way, keeps it from turning. So what I do, grab a piece of, see here, I grab my vice grips. Grab your vice grips and a file. Work on it. You gotta get rid of that nub, all right? You're getting rid of that nub, and that thing will slide right in there. Perfect. Good luck.